It is a known fact that Honda WRV isn't exactly a sub 4 meter SUV in the sense that it wasn't designed from the ground up as a sub 4 meter SUV. Brezza, Nexon, Venue, and the likes are. WRV is a crossover based on Jazz Premium hatchback, and currently it is Honda's only offering in this cutthroat segment. WRV is often hailed as the cheapest car to offer an electronic sunroof. Looking at the sub 4 meter SUV sales, WRV is not a substantial volume product when it comes to sales. And now there's a talk that it will be phased out in the months to come due to low popularity. A sunroof at the lowest price point is not why WRV is in the news recently. It is for the fact that it has scored just 1 star on Latin NCAP crash test. This proves that in terms of crashworthiness, it is at the bottom of this ladder. Surprisingly, Honda Jazz, on which WRV is based here in India, scored 4 stars when tested by Global NCAP under Safer Cars for India campaign. This clearly suggests that there is a major difference in the chassis and crumble zones of WRV or Jazz that is produced for India and for Latin American market. As is true with market types, the same car is likely to be very different according to the market it's sold in. At Latin NCAP crash testing, WRV was subjected to front offset demoffable barrier test at 64 km/h. The Latin spec WRV scores full marks in upper and lower leg impact tests when it comes to pedestrian protection. When it comes to safety assist systems, it scores 49%. With disparity like this in vehicle offered in different markets, crash testing needs to be made mandatory. Tizon in Euro NCAP scored 5 stars, while in Latin NCAP scores 0 stars. Crash tests like these makes people aware of what they are getting into or how a car fares in their market. India being the fifth largest automotive market in the world, government has shown interest in mandating Bharat NCAP crash tests.